everybody, Asang Filipina, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to wear this one. So this is my last outfit for these heels because I'm gonna use this one for my custom video, and for sure after with a custom video I will ruin my heels. So I'm gonna try this on and I'm going to walk with these heels. So let's make a final walk with these heels. This is my outfit. It's red. That's all everyone, and I see you next video.